Hello everyone. Today I will discuss in top 30 GK questions. First question: which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right of equality? Your correct answer is option number D, Article 14 to 18. Question number 2: who has the power to declare a financial emergency in India? Your correct option is President of India. Option number B is the correct answer. Question number 3. How many members are there in the Rajya Sabha Councils of States? Option number B is the correct answer, 250. Question number 4. Who has the power to remove the Vice President of India from office? Your correct answer is option number D, effective majority of the Rajya Sabha and simple majority of the Lok Sabha. Question number 5. Who is the head of the state government in India? The correct answer is C, governor. Question number 6. Who is the final interpreter of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option number D, Supreme Court of the India. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a fundamental right in India? The correct answer is option number C, right of property. Question number 8. What is the maximum strength of the Lok Sabha House of the People? Option number B is the correct answer, 552. Question number 9. Who is the ex-officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Option number B is the correct answer, Vice President of India. Question number 10. The national emergency in India is declared under which article of the Constitution? The correct answer is A, Article 352. Question number 11. Who appoints the governor of a state in India? Option number D is the correct answer, President of India. Question number 12. Which of the following is not a feature of the federal system of governments? Option number C is the correct answer, supremacy of the central government. Question number 13. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Option number B is the correct answer, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 14. Which of the following is not a part of the directive principles of state policies? Option B is the correct answer, right to information. Question number 15. The Speaker of Lok Sabha can submit his registration to whom? Option number D is the correct answer, Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Question number 16. How many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is B. Option number B is the correct answer, 12. Question number 17. What is the term of office of the chairman and member of National Human Rights Commission? The correct answer is 5 years or 17 years of age. Question number 18. Who administrators of the oath of office to the President of India? The correct answer is the Chief Justice of India. Question number 19. What is the minimum age requirements to become the President of India? The correct answer is C, 35 years. Question number 20. What is the tenure of the Chief Justice of India? Option number D is the correct answer, till the age of 65 years. Question number 21. The Indian Parliament consists of how many houses? 2. Option number B is the correct answer, 2. Question number 22. Who has the power of summon or prorogue the Parliament of India? Option number D is the correct answer, President of India. Question number 23. The right to education in India is a Option number D is the correct answer, fundamental rights. Question number 24. Who appoints the judge of the Supreme Court of India? The correct answer is A, President of India. Question number 25. Who is the chief advisor to the President of India? Option number A is the correct answer, Prime Minister of India. Question number 26. What is the minimum age requirements to become a member of the Rajya Sabha? Option number C is the correct answer, 30 years age. Question number 27. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty of Indian citizens? The correct answer is A, casting a vote in the election. Question number 28. The Finance Commission in India is appointed by? The correct answer is B, President of India. Question number 29. Which of the following taxes are imposed and collected by the state governments? The correct answer is all of the above. Question number 30 इस वीडियो का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. What is the term of office of the Vice President of India? Option number B is the correct answer, 5 years. Please like, subscribe my video.